Good morning, good afternoon to you, whatever the case may be. I am out today, obviously. I'm with my daughter who is ill. We'll be okay, though. We're going to get through this. I hope you're doing well, though. All in all, not a bad day for me to be out, as the entire class, I want you working on your project. Uh, this is this message is for sixth period, so we have class, I believe, on Tuesday. So you need to be prepared to present on Tuesday. I'm thinking by the end of class today, everybody should have a poster complete, meaning a Google slide, document, or Google Draw with great information about how World War I affected your group of people that you're researching. See if you can get that done by the end of class today. Other than that, do some research on your group and get your presentation together. Know who's speaking when and for how long. Of course, if you're working by yourself, then that's not a problem. Okay, so we need to be prepared to present on Tuesday the list for sixth period. See if I can bring this over a little bit. All right, we start off with Kristen, then Jessica. Then we got the dynamic duo Silas and Jameson. We got Asim, Tommy, and then Leslie and Jean are going to kill it up there. They're in the sixth spot, followed by Sean, Minal, and Mary Kay. Graham, Ryan, and Jade individually, and then Simone, Soha, and Ben. The triplets there. All right, Daniel and Eric, you're next. Then we got Victoria and Jasmine together. At 15th spot, Zainab and Diane. 16th, Kenna, Clint, and Kevin. Then Anthony goes. Then the pair of Christina and Angeline. And Cassandra finishes it off. Everybody needs to be prepared to present on Tuesday. Some people might go shorter. Some people may not be there. So you need to be prepared, because if your number is called, whether or not the people in front of you were ready or not, you're still expected to be prepared. If you guys have any questions today, send me an email. I should be online most of the day and into the evening, so I'm happy to answer questions if I can. And I'm very excited about these presentations. So nothing but the best, of course. You guys take care, and I will see you tomorrow or early next week.